All stars in the universe are rotating. The Earth we are on rotates for 1 day, 1 Earth day. Because the Moon is locked by the Earth's tide, each rotation is 1 month, about 27.3 Earth days, while the rotation of the Sun is relatively more. It's peculiar. Because the material on it is a flowable plasma, its rotation speed is different in different regions. The equatorial region rotates for about 25 days. The speed decreases with the increase of latitude. It needs to rotate for a week in the polar regions. 35 days, according to CCTV News and other media reports. The National Astronomical Observatory of the Chinese Academy of Sciences announced that Chinese scientists have discovered a star with the fastest rotation speed in the Milky Way through the Guoshajing telescope. The rotation speed in the equatorial region can reach 540 km per second, which is the second fastest known speed. The speed of the star is about 100 km faster. The rotation speed of the Sun's equatorial area is only about 2 km per second, while the rotation speed of our Earth's equatorial area is only 463 meters per second. This star is about 30,000 light-years away from us and is located on the outer spiral arm of the Milky Way. The number and specific location of the star are not seen in public information, but it is mentioned that the star is flying out of the original at a speed of 120 km per second. S position. Scientists speculate that it should be a star in a binary star system, and it belongs to the smaller mass, and is relatively close to the host star. As the host star expands in the late stage of evolution, a large amount of matter is ejected, so it begins to accrete the host star material. Because the material ejected by the host star is fast, the rotation of the star is accelerated. Later, due to the supernova explosion of the host star, the star is ejected by the powerful force of the massive material, and the rotation speed becomes faster at the same time. The fastest rotating star in the Milky Way has also escaped from its original position. Researchers analyzed the spectrum of the fastest rotating star in the Milky Way and found that it is not only a fast-turning star, but also a massive star with a very high temperature. Because of the violent internal activities of the body, and the ultra-fast rotation speed, the entire star's the upper part became oblate, like a thick discus. Because the equatorial part is thicker, its equatorial surface temperature is lower, and the poles are closer to the inside of the star, so the temperature is higher, so the star looks equator. The area is darker, while the poles are brighter. The research results on this star have been published in the international academic journal Astrophysical Letters. However, from the definition of a star in a broad sense, we still can't regard it as a star with the fastest rotation speed, because a neutron star is also a stage of a star, and the rotation speed of a neutron star is faster, and some neutron stars can rotate up to every second. For hundreds of laps, if its circumference is 30 kilometers, its equatorial rotation speed can reach tens of thousands of kilometers per second, and some are even close to 300,000 kilometers per second. But neutron stars are not the fastest rotating celestial bodies, because black holes rotate faster,